I'm not getting out. I can't. I'm scared. They're everywhere. And they don't move either. You can walk right by them. They don't move. They're ugly. Oops. Oops. Man, I have a package in there too.